Hi, right, as promised, we're going to do the test person gallery now. Now obviously I've published test person, and I am going to create a new gallery page for test person. Now the gallery page it's reasonably complicated, because what we have to do is we have to go to this gallery link here, and we have to upload images from there. We then have to create them, group them into albums, and then we have to just paste the code into the page. So the easy way, or the easy part, is to create the new page, because when you see the other gallery pages, you'll see that there's simply, when we go to on the active gallery pages, you'll see here that in the text version up here, we simply have the extended template, which is what we want, and the album ID. Simple. That's all we're putting into that page. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to copy that piece of code, and all we're going to have to do is, once we've created a new album, we're just going to change that ID. Okay. So I'm going to go to add a new post, because I'm going to go for test person gallery, obviously. Test person gallery. Okay, and then in the text editor up here, I can pop between the two, but I've selected that one. I'm going to paste that in. Okay, and all we're going to do is come back to that and change that ID to whatever album ID we create. Okay, so I am now going to save a draft of that one. Okay, now I'm going to go to the gallery. I'm going to click the overview on gallery. Alright, this is using Next Gen Gallery, as you can see at the top, and you can see here we've got manage galleries, add galleries. Okay, now what you do is it's like the reverse of what is obvious. So a gallery is a set of photos for a show for a person. So like for example there, after Miss Julie is a set of photos for that one person. I'm going to put up a couple of obvious images, because that's going to be the easiest way to do it. I'm going to put bus pictures up because I know where they are on my computer, sadly. And then once you create the album, you then have to group the albums. Once you created the galleries, as we just said, you group the galleries into an album, and it's actually the album number that you then choose to put onto the gallery page. It is quite straightforward. It will do the work for you once we get going. So I'm going to start basically by add a new gallery, stroke images. Okay, so I just click on that link, as you saw. That's going to basically go on here, and we are going to add new gallery. Okay, so the gallery name I'm going to give it is going to be test person. Now you don't have to have the test person bit, it's just so we can identify it. We had this discussion before. And then I'm going to click on add gallery. No, I'm not. Great. Hold on a minute. Okay, I'm back. I had an issue with just the way it was set up when we moved it. So I'm going to add a new gallery. Again, I'm going to call it test person. And we're going to call it bus show. And basically I create add gallery, and now we will have a gallery. Once the gallery is created, fucking hell.